Welcome to this video guide on managing the LiqPay module. The LiqPay module is a powerful tool that allows you to seamlessly integrate your website with the LiqPay payment system, providing your customers with a smooth and secure payment experience. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to configure the LiqPay module according to your specific requirements. Let's get started. After a successful installation, head to the Modules, Payment, and Online tabs within the admin area. Locate the Privat Bank module and click on the Edit button to access its settings for LiqPay. In the Settings section, configure the LiqPay module options. Toggle the option to activate the LiqPay module for your website. Enter LiqPay public and private keys essential for secure transactions. Control the order of payment options during checkout. Enter a value in the corresponding field to set the payment priority. Lower values will prioritize LiqPay over other payment methods. Enable test mode to test the LiqPay module before going live. Set processing and paid statuses for orders made with LiqPay. Move on to the Restrictions section. Here you can limit LiqPay to specific customer groups, countries, and website pages, and specify the module name for both the backend and frontend in your desired language. Save your customization by clicking Update. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating with LiqPay.